Hey guys, so it's been a while since my last video, like a really long time. Sorry about that. A lot has been going on, so I just kind of wanted to update and kind of show you what we've been up to. So we did move to Vegas recently. We've been here since December and it is now May. So we've been here a few months and we really like it. It's very hot. But we like it, and the flipping opportunity is much better here than it was in Utah. We haven't gotten into any of that here yet, just because we came here to start a different business, and we have been working on that business pretty hard. So that is taking up all of our time. But before we moved and kind of leading up to the move, we were working on some different projects at my parents' house, just because they also made the move here to Vegas, and we lived in that house for like 18 years, I want to say, maybe 19. And so it really needed some updates. And so me and Isaiah kind of took the lead on that and did a lot of the work. First thing we redid was the guest bathroom. The tile and the paint and everything was from 2000, so it was very dated, and we just updated it. Isaiah did all of it. I came in and helped a little bit. I painted, I helped him pick out the vanity and stuff like that. And I am so mad at myself for not filming through the process of that bathroom, because it was a huge project for us to do, like floor to ceiling remodel of that bathroom. But I just wasn't thinking about it. We just wanted to get it done. But I'm gonna show you kind of before and after pictures of that. We also did all of the, what is it called? Wainscoting? Just the paneling or whatever it's called in the office and the dining room. It was dated as well, so we ripped all that out. Looks really, really good. I definitely want to do more of that, because it's an easy thing like that I can do myself if I ever wanted to. And that really updated that office and the dining room. And then they had the floors refinished. We didn't do that. We didn't want to mess with that at all. They had the wood floors refinished. They looked so good. We also, on Christmas Eve, we had already moved out here, but we went back to spend Christmas in that house one last time. So Christmas Eve, we ripped up all the tile in the laundry room, and Christmas Day, we ripped up all the tile in the entryway, because we had some deadlines to meet. And yeah, that tile was old and kind of nasty, so it turned out really, really nice. I only realized that, oh crap, I should have been filming all this when we were putting the house back together to stage it for the photos that were happening right after the new year. I've got a lot of footage of us kind of putting the house back together after all the work had been done. Isaiah went to my Uncle Don's wood shop, and they made a new mantle for the fireplace. The old one was just dated, and they took the old one down and put up that new one that they made at his shop, and it looked really good, very clean and modern looking. And then the cabinets were painted, and then we had to put on all the hardware. That took a while. Obviously, there's just so many cabinets and drawers in that kitchen. It was a big kitchen. Loved that kitchen growing up. My parents had new counters put in. Let's see, what else did we do? We painted the pantry. We had to paint over the height tracker, which was kind of sad. Within a couple days of being on the market, my parents got, I think, like 6 offers or something like that. way over asking price, so that was a huge blessing for them. I think on the open house day they already had like 3 offers just right then at the open house. So the house was a hit and I'm gonna miss it. I miss it already. That's kind of what happened before we left Utah. We got here and my parents' new place, they just had some stuff that they wanted to get done and Isaiah couldn't do it. So he did the tile, just a backsplash in the kitchen, and then a huge, not huge, but and then a super tall wall, accent wall in the bathroom, just to make that, I don't know, look a little bit fancier. I just go along to help pick out the tile, the vanity, the little accessories here and there. So we are renting here in Vegas right now. This house is a rental. There's so much that I would love to do to it, but we probably will just be here about a year, and then hopefully we can buy and I can get my hands on my own projects. So a video from last year, which was the house flip in Arkansas that we did, it has like almost 900,000 views or something like that, and that's pretty cool. I mean, I knew it was hard work and I was proud of it, but like seeing all these comments saying like, I don't know, it just made us feel good, like, okay, maybe we could do this. That was only really our second flip, and the first one that we ever did, we lived in it while we flipped it. But that's where we want to be at. That's our goal. That's what we want to do for life. I just feel like everybody is kind of doing this right now, and it's kind of hard to snag those deals when they come up, but we'll find one out here soon, hopefully. But yeah, that is like the big update on our family. I need to go to church, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.